Descript, Veed. I'm sure you've heard of both of these tools, and you're probably wondering which one is the better option. Well, both of them are packed with features, and both of them have one or two drawbacks which we need to address. We're going to check them out and see which one comes out on top. So let's get into it. Alright, so we're jumping into Descript now. And with Descript, you can actually edit videos by editing the transcript, making it easier for anybody that's unfamiliar with traditional video editing. Descript also automatically transcribes audio and video, allowing easy search editing and subtitle generation. The overdub feature lets you create AI-generated voiceovers based on your voice, saving time for narration. You can also have collaborative workflows, which basically means that team members can collaborate in real time. You can make edits as well as comments, and this can basically streamline the review process if you are working in a team. Descript also provides advanced tools for podcast editing, including multi-track audio editing, removing filler words, and enhancing sound quality. It also automatically detects scene changes in videos, helping to structure and organize content quickly and automatically without you having to actually do it yourself. One or two of their drawbacks, however, unfortunately, is that there are no advanced visual effects. So, it lacks the advanced video effects and the animations that some of their competitors may offer. It does kind of limit the creativity possibilities for video projects if you are like more of a hardcore hands-on video editor. Also, it is subscription based, so you can jump in with a monthly or a yearly subscription. It may cost more over time compared to, some other software that is either free or that has a one-time cost. Alright, so if you've ever used Veed, you'll know that it does have some pretty awesome features, and it's also recognized in the video editing industry or video creation industry by professionals, so it's pretty decent. It is a cloud-based tool. It allows you to edit your videos directly from your browser without downloading any software. It also provides stylish subtitles and text animations, perfect for creating visually engaging social media videos. You can also record your screen with a webcam and an audio overlay, making it suitable for tutorials, reactions, or even presentations. It's got pre-built template formatting for your videos, which is perfect for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. You don't have to build your video up. It's got the template. All you have to do is import all of your own media, including your audio, including images, video, whatever it is. Veed also allows team collaboration, so it happens directly within the cloud platform, and it gives you shared access to projects in real time, and it's updated immediately. It also adds dynamic waveforms synced to your audio for visually appealing podcast or music videos, so that is a pretty cool feature. It's unlike any other software, actually. One or two of the drawbacks is that since it's cloud-based, you'll need an internet connection to edit videos, which can be a little bit inconvenient. The current video editor that I use actually is on my device, so I don't need an internet connection, which really, really helps. I've got everything with me. Also, it's got basic editing for complex projects. While it is very user-friendly, it does kind of lack professional-grade multi-track editing tools offered by some of the competitors. Again, what I currently use, it doesn't add up, it doesn't level up. So for podcasting and detailed video editing, maybe not the best option. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Both of the software that we just reviewed now are amazing. They both have fantastic features. They both appeal to different groups of people. And the takeaway here really is to figure out which group you fit into and which software you would be using. If this was enjoyable, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.